everyone. Do you ever wonder how you can learn English just by listening?
Exactly. You don't always have to read books or memorize grammar rules.
That's right. Listening helps your brain absorb natural English easily.
So, stay with us till the end because today we'll show you how to learn English while listening, naturally and effectively. Hey, Sarah, do you listen to English audio or podcasts every day?
Yes, I do. Listening has really improved my English.
That's awesome. What kind of things do you like to listen to?
Mostly podcasts and short English stories. They're fun and easy to understand.
Nice. I listen to English news and interviews. It helps me learn real-life expressions.
True, listening to real conversations helps a lot with pronunciation, too.
Absolutely. When I started, I couldn't understand everything at once.
Same here, but over time, my ears got used to the sounds.
Yeah, it's like training your brain to catch new words naturally.
Exactly. You don't even realize how much you're learning.
Do you think beginners should listen to slow English first?
Yes, that's the best way to start. Slow English builds confidence.
And then you can move to natural speed, right?
Exactly. Step by step, it becomes easier.
When I listen to English songs, I try to catch the lyrics.
Oh, I do that too. It's a fun way to learn pronunciation.
Sometimes I repeat the sentences I hear.
That's called shadowing. It's a great technique.
Yes, shadowing helps your mouth follow the rhythm of native speakers.
And it improves your speaking flow too.
I remember when I started listening, I only understood a few words.
That's totally normal. Understanding takes practice.
Now I can even understand jokes or fast conversations.
Wow, that's great. Listening every day really works.
What's your favorite English podcast, Sarah?
I like Easy English Talk. It's short and simple.
Sounds good. I like motivational podcasts in English.
Oh, those are inspiring. You learn new words and ideas together.
Do you listen while doing something else?
Yes, I listen while cooking or walking. It saves time.
That's the best thing. You can learn anytime, anywhere.
Exactly. Listening turns boring time into learning time.
Right, even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Totally. Consistency is more important than long hours.
What about English movies? Do you watch with subtitles?
At first, yes, I watched with English subtitles.
Same here. Later, I started watching without them.
That's a great way to test your listening skills.
And you learn how people really speak, not just textbook English.
Yes, the tone, emotion, and slang, everything sounds natural.
Sometimes I even listen to kids' shows in English.
That's smart. They use simple language and clear pronunciation.
Exactly. It's perfect for beginners.
I think podcasts are great because you can focus only on listening.
True. No visuals, just your ears and brain working together.
And that builds stronger understanding over time.
Do you also try to repeat what you hear in podcasts?
Yes, I pause and repeat sentences out loud.
That's so effective. It's like speaking and listening practice together.
I agree. Listening teaches natural phrases without memorizing.
Exactly. You start using the same expressions in real life.
That's when you know you're improving.
So, Sarah, what's one tip you'd give to English learners?
Listen every day, even if it's just 5 minutes.
That's perfect. Small steps lead to big improvement.
And don't worry if you don't understand everything, just keep listening.
Right. Your brain learns even when you don't notice.
Exactly. It's like magic. You absorb English naturally.
So, are you ready to make listening your daily English habit?
Let's do it. The more you listen, the better you speak.
Well said, Sarah. Keep listening, keep learning.
And keep practicing with us, your English podcast friends.